Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, but this time it's not a box, it's a bag. And this is the Birchbox subscription box bag for October. So it's a little tote bag and it says self-love is the best kind of love. It's quite a cute bag, handy to put in your car or in your handbag, etc. So yeah, something to use if you're out and about. But yeah, I think it's nice. It's a bit different, isn't it? So as always, if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in the bag, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is Birchbox UK. The cost of the box is £12.95 and that includes shipping. Inside contains 5 beauty treats that range from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care and makeup tools as well. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. They have an online store where you're able to purchase any of the products that are featured in their boxes, and if you are a subscriber for 6 months or more, you become a VIP, which entitles you to have 15% off any of their limited edition beauty boxes and any purchases of this store. And I think if you were to subscribe to Birchbox for the first time, you're able to have 10% off. But yeah, from 6 months, it's 15% off. And you get a free makeup pouch as well when you reach your 6 months. The sizes of the products inside a Birchbox tend to be on the smaller side. Now, the reason they are smaller, comparing to other subscription boxes out there of a similar price, Birchbox wants to provide a monthly treat for you to try new products, and if you like them, then you can go onto their website to purchase the full size. So it's like a sample service type thing, but with a nice little keepsake box, which is like a tray if you haven't seen them before. That's what we normally get. Sometimes we do get full-size products, and it is always nice to try new products out as well. Thanks to Birchbox, I have found some amazing products that I've gone on to purchase, like Amica hair products, for instance. I've bought that and a few other things as well. So yeah, it is a nice little box, but some months can be better than others. Plus, they bring out an edit at the start of the month and it shows you all the products that you could have. So not everyone receives the same. Everyone will receive, say, 1 or 2 of the products, but the others could be different. So if you're watching this thinking, whoa, Claire's got an amazing box this month, then there's a chance that you might not receive the same. Now, inside every box or bag, as we have this month, there will be a leaflet, and in there gives you a sneak peek for the following month. So I'm able to tell you, I'll do that now actually, just so I can talk to you about it a little bit more. No, there's no sneak peek for next month. Normally there's a sneak peek for the following month, but there's nothing on here. It just says give your friends 30% off their subscription and you'll get £10 to spend in the Birchbox shop. So if you're interested in getting this subscription for yourself and you fancy 30% off, or if I can find any other discounts that will entitle you to have a bigger discount, I'll pop them down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So sometimes when we do have a sneak peek, we will see that we're getting, say, blushes or an eyeshadow or a lipstick, etc., but there's 2 different shades. Now if you are a regular subscriber, you will receive an email a couple of weeks before your box is sent out to you asking you what shade you would prefer, and if you don't reply to the email, they'll just send you a random shade. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. So let's get on to showing you what I received in this bag. I've been busy filming all afternoon. It's actually gone dark now, so it might look a little bit darker in here than normal, but yeah. It arrived at about 6:30 in the evening, so my husband's just brought it upstairs for me. There, I'll just give you a quick sneak peek and I'll go through them one by one. It says, hello Birchboxes, this month we are excited to be transforming your October Birchbox into a stylish tote bag, decorated with a very important reminder that self-love is the best kind of love. What's more, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and throughout the month we'll be sharing ways you can join us in championing early detection and supporting those undergoing cancer treatment. And it says here, this month share an Instagram photo of your October Birchbox with the hashtag BirchboxPinkUK, and for each photo shared we'll donate £1 to breast cancer support. So in here shows me all the products that are inside this box, plus it gives me an idea of the cost as well. There's 1 full-size product and the rest are little travels or minis, I don't know. I'll have a look now, but let's go for the sneak peek that was last month. And this is a Kiss and Smink. Kiss and Smink, the Everything Talum. That's what it looks like there. I forgot what this was now. Oh, it looks like a highlighter, like a highlighting blush. Try Try a little bit on my hand there. Ooh. Ooh, I can't really see much. But that's not saying much because I do need some glasses. Little tiny bit there. So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £15. This multi-purpose cream stick can be used on cheeks, lips, lids, well, anywhere really. Best applied with fingers. Pat this pink shade with golden shimmer onto the high points of your face with a no-fuss flush of colour that flatters all complexions. Did you know that smink means let's kiss and make up in Swedish? That's cute. So it's like a highlighting blush really. For these ones, I would use it with a beauty blending sponge. So I'll have the sponge like that, then tap it on. I wouldn't apply it straight onto my face like that because I'll be worried that it will take off like my bronzer, my foundation and everything. It feels like it's quite tacky. So I think that would be quite hard to blend on my skin. So for me personally, nah, it's not for me, but I'll pass that on to someone. So there's that. Next we've got a volume. This is Brave New Hair. It's a new product I've never seen before. For texture and instant volume. And this is a sulfate-free perfume. Not perfume! Shampoo! Why do I think perfume? Sulfate-free shampoo. And it's with chestnut extract, rice protein and vitamin complex. And there's 75 mils there. Oh, that sounds nice. And it says here there's 10 real benefits. Instant volume after first application. Helps fortify hair to prevent damage. Improves manageability. Hair looks smoother and more voluptuous. Nourishes hair from root to tip. Prevents breakages. Gives thickness and shine to the hair. Anti-static effect. Keeps hair moisturised and healthy. Protects hair from stressful treatments. Oh, that has quite a lot going for it, isn't it? Oh, if only they'd put in a conditioner in there as well. Because I don't really like testing out a shampoo unless it's got a conditioner with it, you know, just so that you have an idea, because I always use a conditioner. But yeah, I'm going to have to look into that to see where I can get that. Obviously, the Birchbox shop, isn't it? I'll be able to get it there. But no, I really like that. I like the sound of it anyway. Ooh, it smells like an old-fashioned shampoo. It just smells like apples. An old-fashioned shampoo. I mean, a shampoo that I used as a child. What was around, like, a long time ago? That was apples. I'm really excited about that. It sounds so good. So the recommended retail price for the full size, which it doesn't tell me how big the full size is £11.50. And then it just goes into telling you what I've already read. So yeah, so you got your shampoo. Next we got an Anna Sui. This is an eye makeup remover. WP, what does WP mean? I don't know. Haven't tried many of her products. I think I've tried a primer before and I think that's about it. Ooh, that looks really pretty. It feels like an oily makeup remover. So this is a little mini or a sample. The full size would cost you £12. Look at the bottle. All of their products are gorgeous. I'm more familiar with their perfumes than any of their beauty products. That's beautiful, isn't it? Infused with Anna Sui's Tea Rose scent, this double-layered eye makeup remover smoothly sweeps away all traces of makeup without irritating the delicate skin around your eyes. Packed with olive fruit oil and raspberry seed extract, it glides smoothly onto the skin and removes even waterproof mascara without leaving a heavy residue. So you've got an eye makeup remover. Then we've got a body cleanser, and this is by Anatomicals, the Shower of Love, and this is a bergamot cream body cleanser. I've tried a few of their cleansing products before and they're nice. Yeah, they're really nice. I've tried foot scrubs, foot creams, shower gels. Yeah, quite a few. Ooh, let's try a little bit here. Not too much. I just want to sniff it. That is so nice. That is so nice. I can't tell you what it is. It smells like a perfume, but grapefruit. I think there's grapefruit in it. So this is an exclusive and the recommended retail price is £2. So this is a brand new product then, I'm assuming. This Birchbox exclusive bergamot body cream cleanser, soothes and cares for your skin while lifting away dirt and impurities. Suitable for sensitive skin, the foaming cream formula leaves skin feeling clean and soft, perfect for your morning shower ritual. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. And it says a targeted treatment mist high in relaxing bioactives to promote a good night's sleep and hydrate your neck and chest while you catch up on your Z's. Spray on to cleanse skin before bedtime, and there's 10 mils here. Now I've tried Balance Me Hyaluronic Spray before, but I've never tried this bedtime one, and from memory I think it's got one heck of a spray. Yeah, you can see. If I can slow-mo that, I'll show you. That is such a powerful spray. Such a powerful spray. That just soaked my bedroom wall over there. So use with caution. I didn't like the hyaluronic spray because of that. It's just too powerful. If any of you've tried the sprays, let me know your thoughts about it. It sounds great, a beauty sleep one. It does sound really, really lovely. So this is a little mini. To buy the full size, it will cost you £20. This mist, which is packed with hyaluronic acid, chamomile, lavender and CBD oil, works to hydrate, plump and smooth your neck and chest and lull you into a peaceful, uninterrupted slumber. See, it sounds nice, doesn't it? It just wasn't so powerful. So there's that. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. I'm just going to gather them all up so that hopefully you can see them all. So there's 5 products in total, as well as the tote bag. So the cost of the box is £12.95, and there's just one item, which is this one, which is full size this week, and that costs £15 this month, and that costs £15. I am super excited about this shampoo. Normally I'm not that excited about shampoo. I do like them, but I'm just really excited by this. Just the fact that it's got like these amazing 10 benefits, but the smell is stunning. It's an apple-y sort of smell. I can't wait to give that a go. And if I like it, yeah, I'll definitely be rebuying that. So it's not a wow box for me, but it's an okay box then. It's an okay box. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you received your Birchbox yet? Did you have similar products to me, or were they completely different? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you were to subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.